How to log into the Taobao app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily log into your Taobao account. First thing first, open up the application and agree to their terms and conditions. And in order to log in here, find the account section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you tap on it, you should see an option to log in or sign up for an account here. Just go ahead and tap on continue with email. If you wanted your phone number with it, you can do that as well, but I'll just continue on and enter my email address, agree to the terms and conditions, tap on OK. Now just enter your password. You could also use a verification code to sign in. So instead of a password, if you tap on verification code to sign in, and they will send a login code to your email. And once you get the 4-digit code, you can just enter the code here to log into your account. Alright guys, here is the code that I've gotten, which is a 7718. Let me check to my Taobao log and I'll just enter the code here. Tap on it, the code, and once they verify it, you should be logged into your account. That's basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one.